Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, thanks for being here today. Let me introduce myself. I am Devi Nur Aziza and my first partner is Wahyu Dwi Hartarto, the second Bombong Nur Margoseto, which the third Ngarfan Dwi Bachtiar, and the fourth Muhammad Iqbal Wahyu Santoso. We from the group of 12. In this presentation, we will discuss about artificial intelligence. This presentation is divided into four parts. First, history. Second, definition. Third, example of artificial intelligence. And fourth, conclusion. Okay, let's start. For the first slide, I invite Bombong Nur Margoseto to read it.
History. Artificial intelligence is a relatively straightforward field of science. It was in the 1950 that scientists and researchers began to think about how machines could do their jobs as humans could. Alan Turing, an English mathematician, first proposed a test to see whether a machine is smart. The test results are then known as the Turing test, where the machine disguises itself as someone in a game who is able to respond to a series of questions asked. Turing thought that if a machine can make a person believe that he is capable of communicating with another people, then it can be said that the machine is smart, like humans. Artificial intelligence itself was researched by a professor from the Massachusetts Institute of Technology named John McCarthy in 1956 at the Dortmund conference, which was attended by AI research. The conference also defined the main objective of artificial intelligence. AI made in the years 1956 to 1966. Logic theory. This program can prove mathematician theorem. SATSEM, programmed by Robert K. Lindsay. The program is now making the sentence simple. 3. ELIZA, programmed by Joseph Wambaum. The program is capable of doing therapy to a patient by giving a few questions.
Okay, thank you Bombong. For the next slide, I will invite Wahyu Dwi Hartarto to read it.
Thanks Devi for giving me a chance. First, I will explain the definition of AI. Then I will give an example of AI. Definition: intelligence, artificial or artificial intelligence. AI is a simulation of intelligence that is owned by a man who modeled in the machine and is programmed to be able to think as well as human. AI itself is a technology that requires data to be used as knowledge, just like human. AI requires experience and the data so that intelligence can be good again. Important points in the AI process are learning, reasoning, and self-correction. AI need to learn to enrich its knowledge. The AI learning process is not always ordered by human, but AI will learn itself based on the AI experience when used by human. Things are quite interesting from the AI. Is he able to do self-correction or corrected himself alone? If you ever heard the expression AI, if I do not ever win, then at least I'm not allowed to lose. A little horrified also, yes. AI is programmed for the continued study and reorganize themselves of error which have ever made. Okay, I give you one example. Deepface Facebook. On one of the example of AI is technology deepface, which is owned by Facebook. AI is served to recognize the face of people who exist on posting photo. With technology of this, you do not need anymore mark someone who exists on the photograph in the manual, because AI is that going to do it. Perhaps you wonder from where AI was aware that people were there on a photograph that was you. Need you to know that before AI can identify that person in the photo it is you, the AI will be trained by the data. The data is obtained when you mark people in the photo before and from the result of suggestion AI against those who exist in the photograph that you approve. After AI to practice and have a lot of data, then the AI will be able to identify someone who exists in the picture. Well, that's all from me. I return it to the moderator.
Okay, thank you Wahyu. For the next slide, I invite Ngarfan Dwi Bachtiar to read it.
The next example is a comments recommendation. The concept of application of AI, then often you come across one of them is the recommendation of product on a comments. Maybe you have shopped of one of the comments, and when you shop their product are recommended for you. Product with recommended that is done of someone who predict about you buying that. Product recommendation that the result of the AI. Then where AI get the product that will be recommended that. AI obtain the data of your own. For example, that you do search of product, purchase product, and you already seen the product of when alone. Data is exactly that will be processed on the concept of AI. Is data meaning so that the AI will recommend product that fit for you.
Okay, thank you Ngarfan. For the next slide, I invite Muhammad Iqbal Wahyu Santoso to read it.
Assistant virtual. The next example of artificial intelligence is virtual assistant. There are many virtual assistants provided, so as Google Assist, Siri, or Alexa. Like any assistant in general, you can also interact with this virtual assist. In addition to assist, virtual can be recorded when you approachment or even and provide information when time aja ravi determine so arrive. Assistant virtual is also can you command to do the delivery message, play music, open app, and another so forth. Assistant virtual is also will continue to learn as you use it. So the assistant virtual can know what that you love and respect what the auxiliary you do.
Okay, thank you, Iqbal. From our discussion, we can conclusion that application of AI much influence the way we live, interact, and improve the experience and improve us. AI continue to evolve and still a lot of AI that will come in the years to come. Of course, AI is good again with more much improvement, development, and implementation. Intelligence artificial not always connoted negatively, which will replace the role of humans. Although there are some jobs that can only be replaced by AI, but AI also bring job or profession just like a data scientist, for example. That brings us to the end of our presentation. We hope we have convinced you that do you not to think negatively toward capability that is owned AI. Instead, you should be worried about the inability of the AI by now. Perhaps you are not able to learn a lot at once in on time as well as AI, but you are able to work together with AI. Maybe just there's something this that humans to require a time hundreds of years to find it. Words with the conversation between you with AI, things that can only be found in a matter of days. Thank you for listening to our presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.